Healthy proteins for diabetics, best choices and their benefits. Managing diabetes effectively involves careful attention to diet, particularly protein intake. Protein is an essential nutrient that helps in muscle repair, growth, and overall body function. For diabetics, choosing the right types of protein can aid in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. This article delves into some of the best health proteins for diabetics, explaining why each one is beneficial. 1. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein, meaning it contains less fat compared to other cuts of chicken. Why it is healthy. Skinless chicken breast is low in saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy option. It provides high-quality protein that helps in muscle maintenance and repair without causing significant spikes in blood sugar. The low-fat content also helps in weight management, which is crucial for diabetics. 2. Fish. Fish, especially fatty fish, is an excellent source of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Examples: salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout. Why it is healthy. Omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish help reduce inflammation and improve heart health, which is particularly important for diabetics who are at a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases. The protein in fish helps in maintaining muscle mass and supporting metabolic health. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is thicker and creamier than regular yogurt and contains more protein per serving. Why it is healthy. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics. The high protein content helps in controlling hunger and maintaining muscle mass, while probiotics support gut health, which is linked to better blood sugar control. Choose unsweetened or low-sugar varieties to avoid added sugars. 4. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and nutrient-dense protein source. Why it is healthy. Eggs provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients such as vitamins B, 12, and D, selenium, and choline. They have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels and can help keep you full for longer periods, reducing the likelihood of overeating. 5. Tofu. Tofu is a plant-based protein made from soybeans. Why it is healthy. Tofu is low in carbohydrates and rich in protein, making it an excellent choice for diabetics. It is also a good source of calcium, iron, and magnesium. Tofu can be used in various dishes, providing versatility in meal planning. 6. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans and lentils, are rich in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. Examples: black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, and lentils. Why they are healthy. The protein and fiber in legumes help in controlling blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. They also provide a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Additionally, legumes are low in fat and high in essential nutrients like iron and folate. 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are plant-based protein sources that also provide healthy fats. Examples: almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Why they are healthy. Nuts and seeds are rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, which help in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and reducing inflammation. They also provide essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin E, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming them in moderation can aid in weight management and improve heart health. 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a fresh cheese that is high in protein and low in fat. Why it is healthy. Cottage cheese provides a significant amount of protein with minimal carbohydrates, making it a great option for diabetics. It also contains calcium and other important nutrients. Opt for low-fat or non-fat versions to keep calorie intake in check. 9. Tempeh. Tempeh is a fermented soy product that is rich in protein. Why it is healthy. Tempeh is high in protein, fiber, and probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. The fermentation process enhances the nutrient absorption and digestibility of tempeh. It is also a good source of vitamins and minerals like magnesium, iron, and calcium. 10. Lean beef. Lean cuts of beef can be a good source of high-quality protein. Examples: sirloin, tenderloin, and round cuts. Why it is healthy. Lean beef provides essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth without the excessive fat found in fattier cuts. It also supplies important nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Consuming lean beef in moderation can help meet protein needs while managing fat intake. Conclusion. For diabetics, incorporating a variety of protein sources into the diet is essential for maintaining muscle health, managing weight, and keeping blood sugar levels stable. Lean meats like chicken breast and lean beef, fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based proteins like tofu and legumes, and dairy options like Greek yogurt and cottage cheese offer excellent choices. Nuts, seeds, eggs, and fermented products like tempeh also provide valuable nutrients and benefits. Remember to balance protein intake with other essential nutrients and maintain a varied diet. Always consult with a healthcare provider or a dietitian to create a personalized meal plan that fits your individual health needs and lifestyle. By making mindful protein choices, you can effectively manage diabetes and improve overall health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life.